or digital ABC for the creative souls. I think it applies to all of us who are doing creative work in products and in services. So why we are talking about the digital ABC now in the summer when everyone is on vacation. And I hope you are on vacation as well, or will go, or were, because we need this. The world is reopening, and everyone is hungry for shopping experience, for engaging with people. And we as creatives, as crafters and painters and silk painters, have a really exciting product to show people. And the Christmas season 2021 must be our best season ever. And these 5 days of digital ABC are basically priming the marketing pumps, so to speak. And at the beginning, the previous 3 days, you can review it before I delete it. The previous days, we were talking about completing this little download with 5 questions that I'm guiding you through to answer. These 5 questions are actually a marketing message blueprint. We were first looking at the products that are profitable, and we love to do them, right? So this is what you filled in first. The second was, who is our client? And we were going to what I call customer avatar. It was a list of qualities. We need to know our client maybe better than we know ourselves. We need to know where they are hanging out, what what magazines or shows they are watching, and of course we need to know about their lifestyle. So you can review it, and that was the day number 2. Yesterday, we were talking about 3 levels our client have. They are not only looking for a gift, but there are 2 underlying layers that we need to consider so we can address them in our marketing. And you can review the yesterday's presentation where I was explaining that. When you look at your own buying journey, when you are going to buy something, it's not about the thing that you are buying. It's about the reason why you are buying it. And there is even underlying psychological feeling, I deserve to have this. So we need to see it. We need to step into our client's shoes, so to speak, and really, know where they are, how they feel, and then we can address it, because we know it. Shopping is emotional experience. People are buying through emotions. We are living in the Western world. We are not in scarcity or need or whatever. We are buying for the experience. We are buying because it's fun, it's joy, it feels good. There is strong emotional reason. So, and the reason why we are now talking about marketing is because when we are as crafters and creatives, we need to produce our product for the Christmas season. And it's not to do that in October. The production must happen, as I see it, be finished by mid of September. So we can then have everything ready and just focus on marketing between mid-September, mid-October, because mid of October, the Christmas season starts. and we must be in the stores. We must be watching what you replenish. If you are going in person to craft fairs or shows, then you will be busy with selling, not with producing. So this is why I say have a calendar with weeks in it. And when I look at this is July, right? August starts. So mid of September, we need to be ready. So now it's time to start to produce. And I'm starting on the 8th of 8th, coaching 6 weeks, specifically for people who want to stay focused for 6 weeks and get ready for the Christmas with products, packaging, booking venues, and so on. So there is then everything is done, and we can market from mid-September to mid-October, and then go and sell, and make this the winning year 2021. So this is to these 4 questions. When we go about today's question, which is, what is the solution my product service provides to the client? So basically the solution is the answer of yesterday's discovery of what is the client's problem. When they're buying gift, our solution, of course, is we have the product, but they may have another problem because the time is of essence. So we can market specifically, depending where we are in this, in the Christmas season sales. We can market with a focus on how easy our silk scarf are to mail. And we can also bring in the benefit of lightweight, easy to mail. There could be another thing that people will feel anxious because the time is running out. So we may then think about, oh, we might ship it directly to their clients. So there is so much we can do to be better than the competition, but we need to communicate it, and first we need to know it. So today, think about what solution you are providing through your service, through your products. And I would like to touch on something that I believe is a benefit when we create our products. And for a season, like in my life, I have always themes. When I do a project, let's say now it will be Christmas. I don't do now these small fairs anymore, but my approach when I was going to craft fairs with my work was, now in August, I was deciding what is the theme of this year for my products. And I decided the theme, the message that I put on my certificate of authenticity, make it a something special, not only my name. I know I had a Canadian maple leaf, I had Aurora Borealis, and then conceptualize the whole idea. So in my case, when I created the Aurora Borealis concept, I painted on different sizes, but I always had a same color theme. So because why to do that? It has 2 sides to it, 2 benefits. For one, when I'm thinking about a concept and creating the work, it's easier when I have these colors, specific colors. And I think at that time I picked 4. and painted with those on different sizes, different quality of silk, and in also at different levels. The easiest one with, shibori, and then the one with outlining paint and so on. So, but it was one theme. And I am encouraging you to think about what is your theme for the Christmas business this year, and start to think about what you need to buy and what it is and what you want to complete. There is a power in concepts, because when you have a theme, let's say, this is from my Canadian maple leaf, for example, and it's just few examples. So I have my silk scarf. This is an image of a card that goes with it. There is a bookmark. There is, this is a little, placemat. There is entire theme. And when I'm at the craft fair, then it brings, it's not just a scarf. You make it for the client something special when there is little greeting card with it, for example, or with when your certificate of authenticity has the image of the theme with little description why you created this and what is the meaning. So make the most of it. It doesn't end by creating the product, it starts there, because we can serve, and now it comes to here. What solution? When you have a concept which has, let's say, the scarf, a greeting card or bookmark, and certificate of authenticity, and of course you have packaging, you have labeling, you have everything that goes to professional look of your product. You are solving clients' problem for running around for a greeting card, because you already have with a product the matching greeting card, and you can tell them, you can make them aware how powerful that is when they buy from you. Not only the client benefits, because they don't need to run around and look for a specific greeting card. You will deliver it with the product and the packaging and so on. But also it brings benefit to you. You make more revenue, and you stand out in between the other people who offer the same thing, right? Well, nobody has the same thing, but there could be other people who are also selling silk scarves. So you see, I'm getting really passionate about, because when you think in concepts, you have much more power in the marketplace. So, and don't forget, on the 8th of the 8th, August 8th, the specific coaching for the best Christmas business is starting. If you want to be part of it, drop me a note, and then we go from there. So this is it for today. I wish you much joy. You are creative. Creativity is an amazing gift. So I wish you much joy, prosperity, freedom, and everything that you wish for yourself and more. So this is Mila. I'm back tomorrow for the last day. We will wrap up this digital ABC, and then we will talk a little bit more about the coaching. All right. Have fun. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.